uradi ya when one can say that you say yade and never be crosswa people are dying emotionally now the nam swama sa problem when you number and I'm nobody home come adia uradi ya when one can say that you say yade pa aya wade Kasapa 102.5 FM. Marriage is one of the most important things in human's life. At the same time, if you don't get your compatible partner, it is like a curse. But when you was successful, your original life partner, it's like a curse. So many people are dying young because of marriage. Others are growing older because of marriage. Pressure in marriage. A conditional marriage. Our dear Yegina Bibi Sun, it is killing a lot of people. Namin Kabio, Amrantia Biadania currents of war because of marriage. Obi Sunuaya currents or what they and left with Jai about the 20. So won't worry on conditional. It's like you are in a lorry. What's it care when I'm never in your life marry a man under condition or a woman under condition. Everything that is under condition is not an original love. I pray with you and for you that may
Kasapa 102.5 FM.
I give out to me person tears and say Awaria and your by force. Man from fear when you pro home koware. Nini you will carry your things on your head in your car. So many people are worrying under condition. When you are running at here, and then somebody said, but down within your heart, you know, say you don't love a conditional marriage. I am getting married to you because I have a pregnancy with you, sister. So what would you be Musa? It is no me. Abrantia ne wadu because ye say bam na chimu won penim guase wa sorry mu on pesa sorry no manim guase tuninti and your mama fetching in your one here. But down within his heart there was nothing called love. So there are so many people in your house living like slaves in their own house. Mami worry abrantia you say because me na for force me na for nyina worry we aba mami worry is about down within your house, sister. You know that you don't have any love for that man, and that is why a lot of people are sleeping behind their wives and husbands because there was nothing called original love. Never marry a man under condition. Never marry a woman under condition. You will carry a curse. Adia bin mawuram. Because you would under condition. So many people in the church life partner because there was a pregnancy and they never wanted anybody to know. And that is why marriages are breaking down every year, here and there. Every day marriages are going down because a lot of marriages came out of condition. That should be obeying ya maybe a conditional law. Baby, our free body, that should be a
Kasapa 102.5 FM.
A conditional law. It is 1 year or don't want no woman. Because you need us to say a brand maybe a coming. Why a software was a software speciality. That you are not so much your members. Hey, conditional love. You are getting married to that woman because of what your mother said. It's good that you listen to some of the advisors. A very good woman warrior. Mawuma mi wu. But the mawuma mi mfa oba brel. Choose and go and give to your mother. Say, oba me pesa me wani ni munshishe mame. Me ne mami asuma si mame. Abo brache ye namfo frim kwada brem tim pesa me ba ware oba. A conditional. Titimram anani ade anonko de mama. If you are basing on your relationship with another person, now the oba man, sister, mommy, what you know about home? Is it what he wants or is it what she wants in life? Conditional. And then we have to flower there, you're even far better than a Christopher warrior, because who would have shown you everything in that church is all on condition. And we told you, it's not worrying. You are getting married to that lady because of how she sings, not because you truly love her. So 1 year, 2 years, the marriage will begin to go down. Because who will about to fry? What bad sorry no one to tell with no attention and diverted. Anything in marriage that is based on condition dies early. It wouldn't have. It wouldn't have. People are dying. People are dying emotionally in marriages. Sometimes the things that we hear is unthinkable. A lot of people are living with their own enemies in the name of we got married under condition. And you will be called to be the no man. I never had any love for you, but because of the pregnancy, I accepted you and your conditional love. Because marriage is not an inheritance. Praise God. Never push yourself on a man. And never by force to get married. People are dying. Something that God made for men to enjoy, it has become bitterness in a lot of people's heart in the name of marriage. Never marry anybody under condition. You will die early.
Kasapa 102.5 FM.
Because of what he has, you will die early. Let your heart speak to you about the person you want to marry. Conditional love kills people early. Or that a gina be bishop, a kumni panther. The way you are will never be the same in 10 years time. So either it is because of who you are, the things that you have, the gina, so the worry why in 5 years time it will change. Conditional love. So what you big mistake. Marriage is a different ball game altogether. But when two of you come and stay in the same room, under the same house, your friend is saying, roof, a marriage is not something that we call easy. It's when you will be you will die early. A lot of accidents. I see what Ghana hanging out. Don't want to feel pressure. Before driver be free, not the year in a year for the attention and they drive it. Conditional marriage. So be young mama to a fafre. I can manipulate what will come. It will surprise you in the name of marriage. When you are being communicated, marriage is not a race. Take your time. Sabobra swan. Now we need the obedient. And yet you walk. And Nantia woman Baba Brabomina. And the answer sister who of a witch and announce me now. It is because of what you have. But that man or don't know has no basis why he loves you. Or bow or don't will be a begin us. Or who now when I Kenya no say indeed this is the man I have to marry to. But and nearby Yena Sunina. What by your research? A Christ forward year good papa. Because even in the church, you're for some to a form of worry. For something to be catch and soft case was a warrior without we over wall. Near Sunny, a warrior mount. Attitude in marriage is the most important thing. If you don't have an attitude, a positive attitude, you will kill yourself in marriage. Go and see how pastors are pushing men and women for other men to marry. Conditional love. Me warrior, the entire suffer me bring ya wadia ya basa. The beginning of our ministry. Omwaka krabia urabi ya sure dem wonti. Officer
Kasapa 102.5 FM.
The ministry because scam. By the time you realize, Obanu won't so was scam. I fed you sorry dear say yinia. Who bring you sika for we are far better times 10 than the woman you are married to. Because you married her with her money, you begin to have problem with your wife. Conditional marriage. Let me advise you. It is better for you to stay single than to marry a man under condition. I did my question as heaven. If I die today, I die as an individual. My children are separating themselves from me the day I will lay in bed. Nobody will be buried with me. Nobody will be buried. Don't rush into marriage. You will die early. Marriage is God's own plan. Or the never let anybody force you into marriage, and never force yourself on a woman or a man that you know you cannot love. Condition in marriages can kill you. Better, but the nipa, I'm gonna be the most difficult thing in the world. And so they have been married for almost about 55 years. But the Christians married with so many counselors in the world. Ghana, their counselors, they push women in answer reverend, but marriages keeps going down. What is the problem? At the end of over thousands of counselors in Ghana, yet the church marriages are dying. Because we push people to get married. Wrong advice. Our reform. But the Munyaman Kura, they said, "Say woman who come would did you when you can. He will never give you a bad thing. Never marry anybody because of what he has or she has, because it may finish one day. Let your heart speak to you about the woman or a man you want to marry." When him said the people sure them, people are dying. A lot of people are dying emotionally. They are going down every blessed day. Ministries and because of marriage. Why is something that God has made so beautiful and wonderful now there's so much problem with people? Because we always want to get married to somebody because of what he or she has. Conditional marriage. Never push yourself into anybody's life. Never let anybody take you for granted. I am we call something sympathy marriage. Sympathy marriage. Sympathy marriage. So many people you was school, you know, but you know that you don't love her. The lady, the way I'm in a channel, you have about 5 years. Sympathy marriage, and you're more than to die early. You know you don't love the lady, so why are you sympathizing with her? And you be any assassin will show we are your papa, your becca, your bonnie, your becca. It is better you save yourself from problems than to have sympathy to marry a man, sympathy to marry a woman. God bless Ghana. Mommy, I'm out of crime. Now, one more day, they can choose your life partner. One day, you know, but didn't come up. Now, I say, I you're the best thing. But when now, life partner, who come back to here, it is a Bama was shut at the fita. Now, when you have them, when I'm going to say you have a problem, allow God to choose a life partner for you, and you will be eternally happy. Never push yourself on any man. That man is one power, sister, don't rise. Let him go. Oba is one power, let her go. Oba will be in a new catch us a bram and pow. Let her go. Bram and pow. Sister and pow. No matter how many or how much you have spent in that relationship, your life is more important than what you have spent. Let him go. Let her go. And God will give you what your heart has been yearning for. Everywhere, counselors, but Christian marriages are dying. Grace and mercy. Mercy must locate the church of God. Everybody in Israel. Everybody in Israel.